Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use Microsoft Copilot to save money on groceries. So let's get straight into it. So the biggest way to save money is to buy what is already on sale. Copilot can look up currently flyers and build a menu for you. So we will first find local deals. So we will copy something like that into our uh, chat right here. Okay, so we will put in here an Aldi, for example, and here we will insert our city. So let's say like that, and hit submit. Now we wait a few moments, but we can already prepare for next prompt. So this will basically build a budget meal plan. So we can put in something like that. Based on this sales item, create a 5-day dinner meal plan for a family of number. So we will put here number 4. Keep the total in cost under, let's say, $15. So we have in Berlin euros, and make sure it use overlapping ingredients so nothing goes to waste. So now you can already see the first prompt is here finished. So we have biggest Aldi Berlin deals this week, cashback coupon status for Aldi Berlin, and how Aldi Berlin weekly deals works. Okay, now we can put this second prompt into it, just like that. And yeah, we can wait or we can go further. So if you have multiple grocery stores near you, for example, Copilot can figure out which one offers the best value for your specific shopping list. So we can find the cheapest store so that we are not limited just with Aldi. So what we are going to do, as you can see now it's finished, the list what we can buy to save money for 5-day dinner. Now let's put in and find the cheapest store. So we will compare grocery list across Aldi, and store B will be, for example, Lidl in our city, which we say it's Berlin. Which store will be cheaper overall for these specific items? Question mark right here. And yeah, we can put this prompt into work. Now, while we wait, we can also create the prompt for generic alternatives. So we can also type in something like that to look our grocery list, and then which of the items we should buy as the store brand instead of the name brand, so that we can save a little bit more money. So as you can see now, we have here the comparison between Aldi and Lidl. So the Aldi wins by 1 to 2 euros, so it's almost the same as the dollars. So yeah, now we can put in this prompt for that we see if we buy generic version, store brand, or some named brand, which is more popular. And yeah, we need to wait a few moments that we get some information about that. So as you can see, good saving usually buy store brand, eggs, bread rolls, and so on. We can also get here where you will save the most. All right. Now what we can do, uh, before we go to the store, we can also check what we can cook with what we have in our refrigerator, so that we don't spend too much money before we go to the store. We can do something like that. So I have that ingredients 1, ingredient 2, and 3 in my fridge that will expire soon. So give me 3 cheap and easy recipe ideas that use these items up without requiring me to buy many extra ingredients. So for more complex, I will put in, let's say we have tuna, then we have tomato, and we have, for example, uh, carrots, carrot, like that. And now we can ask Copilot what we can do with these ingredients. And as you can see, we get good option what we can do. In 10 minutes, we can create really tasteful recipes right over here, as you can see. And yeah, for the end, what we can do when we go to the store, we can create a finalized meal plan. So you will put something like that into it. Turn my finalized meal plan into a categorized shopping list so that we have everything for the shop and that we don't search too much. So as you can see, now it's created the shopping list that we can use when we go to Aldi. And this is pretty much it, how to use Microsoft Copilot to save money on groceries. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.